When extreme cold freeze energy and Middle Eastern heat test limits, the global new energy landscape is being redefined. Zhongke Hongtai New Energy Technology Seal Limits, with its -40 degrees ultra-low temperature solid-state battery technology, transcends the harshest climate zones on Earth. From our R&D center in Anhui, China, to our exhibition hall and office in Erbil, Iraq, and the upcoming production base in Baghdad, we are building a new energy footprint spanning Asia and Europe. As a pioneer with over 20 years in the new energy battery industry, Professor Liu Yuanjian has long been committed to filling the gap in large-scale production of high-performance, ultra-low temperature, special batteries in China. He was honored as one of the top 10 economic innovators of the new era in 2022. Under his leadership, the company has obtained over 30 invention and utility model patents, and received certifications including 2022 Top 10 Innovative Technology Enterprise, National High-Tech Enterprise. From nano-level electro-material innovation to proprietary cell formulations, from precision manufacturing processes to intelligent management systems, every battery from Zhongke Hongtai embodies dozens of patent technologies. It maintains over 90% efficiency output, even under the dual test of 50 degrees heat in Iraq and -40 degrees cold, truly delivering an all-climate energy solution. In wind and solar energy storage stations in Xinjiang, China, clustered battery arrays stably output clean electricity, from Arctic research stations to household energy storage in Northern Europe. Zhongke Hongtai's warm energy is thriving in every cold corner of the globe. Zhongke Hongtai New Energy Technology Seal Limited, global leader in all climate solid-state batteries. Let's join hands to create a green future unafraid of extreme cold or scorching heat.